Let's go.
Hey fam, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our last paycheck in December and going over our first paycheck in January. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we ended 2024. So for our budget from December the 27th through January the 2nd, in our expense category, we budgeted $960 for our mortgage, $190 for Chase, $142.99 for our homeowner's warranty, $48 for our gym fee, $14.40 for Google LLC, $12.99 for Canva Pro, and $12.95 for our Kindle Unlimited. That came up to $1,381.33. In our actual category, we put $1,000 on our mortgage, which was an overage of $40, $177.97 in Chase, which was a difference of $12.03, $142.99 on our homeowner's warranty, $48 on our gym fee, $14.40 on Google LLC, $12.99 on Canva Pro, and $12.95 on Kindle Unlimited. That came up to $1,409.30, which was an overage of $27.97. We budgeted $530 for our cash envelopes, $450 for our sinking funds, $100 for savings challenges, $150 for our backup funds, $100 for rollover, and $40 for our extra backup money. That came up to $1,370. In our actual category, we spent $40 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $40. $450 in our sinking funds, $100 in our savings challenges, $150 in our backup funds, $100 in our rollover, and $40 in our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,330, which was a savings of $40. In our income versus our expenses, we estimated our income to be $2,861.47, minus the expenses of $1,381.33, minus the cash envelopes of $530, minus the sinking funds of $450, minus the savings challenge of $100, minus the backup funds of $150, minus the rollover of $100, and minus the extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $110.14. In our actual category, our income was $2,861.47, minus the expenses of $1,409.30, which was an overage of $27.97, minus the cash envelopes of $490, which was a difference of $40, minus the sinking funds of $450, minus the savings challenges of $100, minus the backup funds of $150, minus the rollover of $100, and minus the extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $122.17, which was an actual savings of $12.03. For our paycheck from January the 3rd through the 9th, in our expense category, we budgeted $235 for our utilities, $200 for rollover, $30 for Terminex, and $15 for Google Title. We had it free with our Sprint bill, but that went away, so we had to start paying for it, and my husband does use that. So that came up to a total of $480. We budgeted $500 for our cash envelopes, $400 for our sinking funds, $100 for our backup funds, $100 for our savings challenges, and $40 for our extra backup money. That came up to $1,140. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,703, minus the expense of $480, minus the cash envelopes of $500, minus the sinking fund of $400, minus the backup funds of $100, minus the savings challenge of $100, and minus the extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $83. So fam, there you have it, and that is how we ended 2025. I did order a new planner cover, however, it has not arrived yet, and hopefully it'll be here before our next video. But in the meantime, this is what we're working with. So you did see some changes. We will be getting an escrow shortage analyst letter here soon, so I'm not sure what our mortgage is going to go up to. So we are starting to increase how much we pay so that we can make sure that we don't have this shortage again, because my insurance, our homeowner's insurance, did go up. So that is where that came from. I did take the check that they sent to me and I put it back in there. However, it was not enough to cover the difference in where we were as far as negative on our escrow account. So that is where we're at, and it is what it is. So if you have enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Greatly appreciated. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.